You'll want to start by creating a boot disk for your Raspberry Pi. There are many tutorials online for how to do this, so I won't get into it in this tutorial. But the main things that you're going to need is a display of some type, your Raspberry Pi, and your USB stick, which is what will contain your decorations. I have my USB set up so that once I turn it on, it will automatically boot from it. That way my decorations come up right away. Again, just look for some tutorials online. There are some really great ones out there. Ones will do a much better job at explaining how to do it than I would. You're first going to want to start by taking apart the mirror. We're going to remove the backing part of it by flipping up those little tabs on the sides and then pulling off the cardboard backing. This mirror had glue attaching the cardboard to the mirror, so I went ahead and took it. Once the mirror was removed, I carefully took my craft knife and just kind of slid it in between those two pieces there to get them separated. Next, you'll want to create a barrier where your screen will go. So this will depend on the size of screen you have, but just center it in there. Make sure that you are putting the tape where the inside screen is on your monitor. It should look something like this when you're done. Now you just want to very carefully wipe away any of the excess paint stripper. Then you just peel off your tape and clean. You'll want to now cut out your two-way mirror film to approximately the size of your mirror, maybe just a little bit over so you can trim it later. Then you'll remove the backing of it and apply it to the mirror. This is truthfully the hardest part of this whole project, just getting out all those air bubbles, but take your time and you will get it. Trim off any of the excess. Once your mirror is done, drill a hole into the bottom or to the side where your cables will come out. Now put your mirror back in with the shiny side facing the outside. Position your display so that it's directly over the hole. I use small pieces of Velcro, that way I can remove the display if I need to. You can now connect your display to your Raspberry Pi. Here I am connecting the power to the display. Feed all your wires out through the little slot you made in the side of your frame. Then secure it all in place with electrical tape. Also secure the Raspberry Pi to the inside of the mirror, just making sure to leave the USB portion on the outside so that you can access it easier. Time to replace the backing. I decided to add some holes to the back of the mirror just to let any heat escape. Replace the backing and fold back those tabs. And simply plug in and admire your creation. This is it in the daylight. You can barely see the image there. And this is what it looks like at night.